Yes, I am sitting on the floor for this video because that's really the only way I can get this shot. We're gonna be taking some tech and unboxing it. This arrived in the mail today. I know what most of it is. We're gonna check it out and talk about some upcoming videos that will be done on the stuff that is in here. Let's get started.
Perfect.
Never really done one of these videos before. Well, so far we've got air wrap stuff. That's pretty interesting. Then inside we've got all of the tech products. Let's start with one of these small things. What's in here? What is this? Got a little Ziploc bag here. An Allen key. Oh, I know what this is. All right, this is a little thing I picked up. See if the camera will focus on it. There we go. This is a small rig, hot shoe mount to 1/4" adapter with a ball head. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. I think we're just gonna have to go for it here. There we go. This is a brown box in a huge bag. Little instruction manual. And then a case. Microfiber cloth. Because this is an ND filter. Now, it's not a variable ND filter like most professionals would use. This is just ND 1000. It's a 67mm for this Canon kit 18 to 35, 135, sorry, I'm using right now. And I literally ordered it. It was about 17 bucks or so. And I just ordered it because I was planning to make a video about how good a cheap ND filter is. Yeah, it's ND 1000. That is pitch black. Well, we'll have to test it outside, see what happens. I will be making an upcoming video about that because people always talk about not to use cheap glass on your expensive glass, but I'm gonna be testing that soon. All right, let's get this out of here. Yes. This is Aoki's $60-ish Bluetooth wireless earbuds. There they are. These were about 60 bucks on Amazon. There was also a $12 coupon, so I decided to order them, probably make a video about these, test them out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely good video material there. Let's go for this other small box here. It's a bit of tape. Oh, let's see what's in here. What is this? Oh, I remember. This is a two pack, sorry, of USB-A to USB-C adapters. Because if you haven't noticed or haven't seen the video, I do use a 13-inch MacBook Pro 2019 and dongle life. These aren't for a video, these are just for my sanity. Metal, nice and compact. Okay, pretty good. Let's move on. Oh, an iPad 4 case. Now that's a question people might be wondering about. I do actually have an iPad 4. Here it is. Let's actually put the case on it right now, see how it looks. Lifetime warranty card. Foam insert to keep its shape. Okay, ooh, that cover looks nice. Let's put it in. So which way does it go? This way? Okay, snaps in relatively easily, except for this last corner. There we go, there's the iPad 4 in all of its glory, and it's already automatically working by turning on when the cover is lifted. Huh, that's pretty cool. And the iPad maybe stands up. I don't know, like that. That's pretty cool. because I actually am making a video. I bought Duet Display on this this iPad, sorry. And talking about how to use it, how to use an old iPad, might edit a video on this. I now use it as a second display for my laptop, and I'm also going to be probably making a video about using this as a teleprompter in the future. Very interesting. All right, now there's this final one. This is a camera handle / rig / mounting system thing, so let's open it. I expected this to come in a box, but nope, it's just in a bag. Bit of bubble wrap on here. That's pretty cool. So what this is it's a little camera handle with 3 hot shoe mounts on the top. And then you put your camera down here on this plate. And yeah, I'm using this. It costs like $30, which is a pretty good deal. I think it actually costs $27. And yeah, I'm gonna be using it to build out a budget camera rig, like a whole rig system. So there's definitely gonna be a video about that. And this kind of ties in with this small rig hot shoe to 1/4 inch ball head here, because this is gonna be mounted on here, and then I'm gonna install my phone using the 1/4 inch to phone mount, and then use that as an extra camera monitor, which is gonna be part of this budget setup here using the Canon Connect app. That's it. The box is empty. Let's do a little count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the ND filter? 5, 6 things with the Aoki earbuds, I think. Aoki. I don't know how to say that. That's been it for this video. As I mentioned, I will be making a lot of content around these few things that I've ordered here. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on Twitter for that. And yeah, see you in the next video.